check it out, guys. I want to go pick up a valve cover for the Miata, and it's raining hail. Crazy. Here's the so here's the valve cover. It's a custom one. I'll show you guys in a bit. I'm just talking to the buddy right here, but it was freaking raining hail right now. So it's a custom carbon fiber dipped valve cover for the Miata. So when I restore her back, I'm gonna put this on. So stay tuned, guys. Back on the vlog. So I wanted to show you the whole valve cover that I got. So the new valve cover is right here in this box. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys how it looks like. So here we go. So here it is, guys. Carbon fiber dipped valve cover for the Miata, for the 1.8. Soon I will be removing the valve cover I have on the 1.8 right here. Sorry guys, haven't had a chance to bring you guys more Miata vlogs, but soon I will eventually get back to it. I know it's taken a while, but I mean, since I haven't changed the valve cover, which was a good thing, I came across this one right here. It's going to be a great look for, you know, for restoring the Miata with a new one. So that should be a good look. And then now I'll be changing everything else like I showed you before in other vlogs. I'm not going to be working on the car today, but I just want to at least show you guys any new parts that I have for the car. So I have the new valve cover, the carbon fiber dip one right here. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube at 2400, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.